One of the biggest hazards that we have in hotels is places where the formation of carbon monoxide occurs because there is not enough fresh air to the fuel burning appliance, such as a pool heater, a hot water heater, or a furnace. Typically in a hotel they will put the HVAC system, the hot water heater, the pool heater, the furnace for the hotel, inside of a fireproof room so that if there's a fire it won't consume the whole hotel. And they'll put fire detectors in that room. But traditionally they do not have carbon monoxide detectors. And if they've added carbon monoxide detectors, they've only added the standalone kind that are not going to set off an entire alarm. What happens in those rooms is they don't get enough fresh air. A flame, a fire, needs oxygen to keep burning. If it doesn't get enough oxygen, the combustion may continue, but instead of creating the carbon dioxide molecule, 2 oxygens for 1 carbon, it creates this. Then where the real problem occurs, however, is not just that there's a creation of carbon monoxide. It's that because there is not enough fresh air flowing into that fire, there's not enough pressure with the exhaust. So what happens is the exhaust may start up the chimney, but because it isn't blowing, there isn't enough oxygen, it's not flowing fast enough, there's not enough pressure to take all of the exhaust up the chimney. What happens is it stalls in the chimney, starts to back up into the building, and then can get out into other areas where guests and employees are.